Now fourth one is cos x sin x sec x 2x plus 3. So we have to differentiate here this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. We cannot we cannot differentiate separately this 3. So now we will start. So differentiation of cos x sec x 2x plus 3. Now first we have to differentiate this cos x, and we can consider this sin x sec x 2x plus 3 as y. So let sin sec 2x plus 3 equal to y. So final answer would be cos y, that is differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. Now we replace this y as this sin x cos sin x sec x and 2x plus 3. That becomes, now in addition to this we have to differentiate the sin x sec x and 2x plus 3, as differentiation of these 3 are remaining. So with addition to this we now do differentiation of sin x sec x and 2x plus 3. Now in this type of examples we have to differentiate this first one, then we are now for the second one this sin x, as we differentiate this first one, that cos x is minus sin x. So this sign would be differentiated. Now this sign, while doing this differentiation of sin x, we will ignore this minus sin x totally. Now that is becomes plus sin x differentiation of, so this final answer would be this. So plus this one, this would be there. So differentiation of sin 6 2x plus 3. Now we will consider this sec x and 2x plus 3 as y. I am doing this differentiation separately so that you can understand that for the rules to solve this type of example. So differentiating sin into sec into 2x plus 3. So consider this sec x 2x plus 3 as y. So letting this sec 2x plus 3 as y. So that will become sin y. So differentiation of sin y is cos y. Now replacing this y as 2x sec 2x plus 3, so that becomes cos sec 2x plus 3. Now with the addition of minus sin x sin sec 2x plus 3, we will add this cos sec 2x plus 3. Now with this addition we will differentiate the sec 2x plus 3. So this sec 2x plus 3 becomes, while differentiating sec 2x plus 3, we will consider this 2x plus 3 as y. So let sec y as, sorry, let 2x plus 3 as y. So that becomes sec y, differential of sec y is 10y, as you know. If you haven't, if you don't know the formula, this formula learn them. I have written these formulas in lecture 1 of differentiation, so you can attend that lecture. And this sec 2x plus 3, I similar question I have solved this sec 2x plus 3 separately in previous lecture. So if you have not con- mm, seen that, attended that lecture, you can attend them, as they are the base, that is a basic of this whole example. Now replacing this y with 2x plus 3, then the answer would be 10 2x plus 3. So that get replaced with this sec x 2x plus 6 2x plus 3. Now I'm raising this differentiation and writing here only. So adding that 10 2x plus 3 differentiation of, that is differentiation of sec 2x plus 3. Now we have to differentiate this 2x plus 3 also, that is remaining. We will then that I will be doing separately. Now differentiation of 2x plus 3, that is 2, because constant with x is becomes 2 constant, and this constant with not a with nothing with variable, that becomes 0. So the answer is 2. So final answer would be plus 2. Sorry, that this not going to add, this going to be multiplied. Sorry, my mistake. This going to be multiplied. So now I am going to explain this another second time, so that you can clear this out. This type of example is very important, as they are this is just a trailer. Now now movie is remaining. So whole tough question I will discuss just later. This one the easiest example. Now extra hard will be there, next time I will try to explain that. Now we know, we will letting that sin x 2x plus 3 as y, then we differentiate this that as sin minus sin sec x minus sin, and the y which is considered y we have written there. Now differentiating this sin x, we get this cos x. Differentiating this sec x, we get 10x. Differentiation of 2x, we get 2. They all are getting multiplied. Now the final answer is this 2 into minus 2 into sec x sin sec 2x into cos sec 2x into 10 2x plus 3. So I hope you have understand this question. Thank you so much.